Hi guys. It's been a while since I haven't vlogged. It's really windy right now because I'm like in the middle of apartments. So today I have plans with my friends during the evening, but right now I'm actually going to I bought a used iPhone 6 through Marketplace. So I'm just gonna go get it, but the guy who's selling it is late. He was actually gonna cancel on me, and then we called and I was like, you can't do that. He's still coming, but he's just running late now, which is not okay because I have another appointment at 4:10 at London Drugs for my AirPods. Because my AirPods are has been not working since, I don't know, for a while now, and wow, that is so pretty. It's so pretty today. So pretty. The weather is actually so nice today. So yeah, I'm just waiting for the guy, and after I pick it up, I'm gonna go straight to downtown. I don't know if they'll still accept me because it's gonna be 4:20, 4:30-ish. And then I'm meeting my friend at 5. So I don't know, I'll see how it goes. Hopefully the guy comes earlier. Yeah. Alright guys, I got my iPhone. I'm just resetting it because the guy didn't know how to do that. And now I'm heading to Grandma Station, and I need to go to my appointment, which I am late.
This train is for Waterfront.
Hi, so I met my friend. We're waiting in line for the Christmas market. Bye. Woo. We are in the Christmas market. 아, 너 두 번째 오는 거잖아. 와우.
언니 처음 와?
응.
진짜?
아니, 5년 전에 왔었어.
5년
아니, 4년 전에. 아, 3년? 4년 전에. So, we're inside the market, and my friend actually came here last week, but she insisted to come again with me. She's a nice friend. It's a carnival. 아, carnival이 아니야. Merry-go-round. 아, 여기서 지금. 와, 여기 너무 예쁘다. So pretty.
저희는 뭘 마실 거예요.
We're gonna drink something.
술이에요.
It's alcohol.
말해도 돼?
응.
맞아요.
It is warm wine,
저희는
like hot wine.
19살이 넘은 지 오래됐지만 신분증 검사를 할 거예요.
Of course. Of course. 아, 너 손 너무 차갑지?
왜안 따뜻해?
너 가져. 나한테 쓰레기 주는 거 아니냐고.
아니야, 이거 따뜻한 거예요.
조금 따뜻해요. 아, 여기 너무 예쁘다. So pretty.
따뜻해.
It's so good.
진짜 맛있다.
It's so good. 왜 째려봐? 째려본 것 같은데?
뭐 글루 그거야?
저 995짜리인가?
Hi, could I please get the glue one?
Yes. And
Two.
Two. And if you want them in the mug at all for $5,
Oh,
you get
no.
to keep them.
Just,
Paper?
yes, please.
$2.89. And a Merry Christmas.
You too, thank you.
Yes.
이게 진짜 엄청 유명.
짠 할까?
내가 먹어?
아, 맛있다.
맛있어. 먹을 거 구경하고 싶어? 아니면은 약간 액세서리 같은 거?
그냥 구경할까?
여기 먹는 거리고. That's what I'm saying. Of course, you guys are lying. I didn't know what she just said.
너도 좀 불안해 지금. 너도 불안해 지금. 구경을 못 할 것 같아.
오케이 다른 데로?
그래도 뭐 하나 들어줄까?
아 괜찮습니다.
아 왜 가방을
네,
이렇게
불안하게 다니고 있지만
가방을 왜 손바닥만한 걸 가져와가지고. 아 여기 이쁘네요.
귀여워. 마음에 드는 거 있나요?
귀여운데요 열쇠고리? 귀엽다 이거.
응.
I spilled it. My friend just went to go get some napkins, but she can't. Thank you so much. I just spilled it on my scarf. Thank you. Ice cream? 너 휴지 때문에 사온 거 아니지?
아니야.
Okay, so we're gonna chug this one shot.
천만 원.
Okay. Oh, it smells really good too. Right? It smells so good. It smells like mushroom soup, I think. Let's try it. Can we try it? as well? Oh, sorry. Thank you.
역시 너무 맛있어. 대박이지? 맛있지?
더 먹고 싶어. 그치?
내가
감칠맛이 드네. 너무 조금 들어있다.
이거 그냥 살면 얼마나 맛있을까?
My friend is drunk.
언니 말이 너무 불쌍하게 생겼어. 아 근데 언니 진짜 귀엽다. 와 이쁘다. 나뭘 찍을 거야? 잘 찍고 있는 건가?
So, so we came to Blends in Robson Street, on Robson Street, and yeah, the Christmas market was fun, but not a lot of things to see. So now we came to Robson to have dinner at Sura, and we're just in line. We put our names on the wait list, so we're just having some hot chocolate.
이제 좀 깨는 거. 뽀뽀해줘?
We're in the restaurant right now. I kind of feel like 육개장.
언니 육개장?
Yeah, I'm gonna have 육개장. 맛있겠다.
얼마 만에 오나요?
수라는
아 제가 영어로 하고 싶은데 I can't speak English. My English is not good.
Try.
Okay,
You need
try my best to speak in English.
Okay.
But I'm so nervous.
It's okay. That's
Okay.
just like how you start.
Hi.
It's been like maybe year. I think I came here last year with you.
Oh, last year.
Yeah.
Why you look so pretty?
Thank you. Our kimchi pancake is out. I'm gonna try the side dish. 아, 저쪽이요. All our food is out, and I don't have a lot of battery right now, so I'm gonna eat first. Bon appetit! 맛있게 먹겠습니다.
내가 나중에 언니 그거 찍어줄까?
뭐?
얘네 내가 조용히 하고 언니만 이렇게 계속 찍어줄게.
그래?
좋지?
언제?
그냥 아무 때나 날 잡아줘.
알았어. 좋아.
언니의 일상 브이로그를.
좋아.
되게 조용히 딱 찍고 이렇게.
아, 나도 빨리
공부를
편집
하다
시작해야겠다.
보니까 하고 있을게.
I'm going home now. We went to a bar and then we talked about a lot of things, and now we are heading home.